Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm guest designing for Love from Lizi using her brand new September 2024 Super Kit. The kit is called Indigoletta. Love from Lizi celebrates their birthday month in September, so every September she has a super kit and it is packed full of goodies. If you're interested in the kit or any of the add-ons, I do have links in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a white and 4 different shades of purple. This next item is a half sheet of vellum, and what's really fun, it has adhesive on the back. It's a thicker vellum. I'm trying to show that you can still see through it, holding up the stamp set. And as you can see, that adhesive is super strong. The next item is an A2 size piece of Distress watercolor cardstock. This is by Ranger. I'm trying to show it, but the video is not catching it. One side has a really fun texture finish, and the other is mostly smooth. Next up are 3 half sheets of foam in 3 lovely shades of purple. If you haven't caught on yet, this kit is filled with beautiful purple shades. There's no adhesive on the foam. You could use it for die cutting, or you could use it to add a little extra dimension to your project. There are 3 card bases, including envelopes. 2 of them have a beautiful white pearlescent finish. The first size is 6 by 6 inches, and if you don't want to use it as a card base, I don't really send large cards. You could always just use the cardstock since it has that beautiful specialty finish. The next card is 5 by 7 inches, and again it has that lovely shimmery pearlescent finish on it. Includes an envelope. And the last card base is also 6 by 6 inches in size. Now this one doesn't have the pearlescent finish, but it does have a large circle cut out of the center. And there are 3 different panels all folded together. You could decorate that outside the frame around the circle, then add an image or sentiment inside the circle. Here's the stamp set that's included in the kit. Lots of great sentiments you could use year-round. There are 2 frames with florals, a floral border, some tiny little floral images, and 2 images with teeny tiny polka dots. There's a brand new peel-off color. This is the pinstripe style, a lovely purple with silver foiling on the edge. The kit also includes some coordinating ephemera. I'm not sure why I haven't shown the pattern paper yet. I usually show that before all the others. The ephemera pack includes tons of lovely floral pieces, and it coordinates with the pattern paper beautifully. So here's a look at the pattern paper. It's called Indigoletta. There are 12 single-sided patterns. These are 6 by 6 inches in size, and the cardstock is a nice heavyweight cardstock, 271 GSM. The designs are absolutely beautiful. You won't want to waste any of this beautiful pattern paper. Lots of florals, and some of the backgrounds have sort of a watercolor wash on it. Since it is 6 by 6 inches, if you make smaller size cards like I do, I make American Standard A2 size cards, so I will be trimming down areas of the pattern paper. You could cut the corner of some of those lovely florals, or you could cut just one end. And with such beautiful floral designs, you could add a sentiment, maybe some ribbon or bling, and your card is finished. Now let's go through the embellishment bag. First up, we have a watercolor palette. There are 6 different colors, and all you have to do is wet that little bit of paint, and you can create backgrounds. You could color in different images. Even if you don't paint, I think it would be pretty easy to color in some of those larger floral images on the stamp set. And Lizi's also included a small paintbrush. There are 6 pre-tied bows. I love when Lizi includes pre-tied bows. That way I don't have to try to tie a bow. There are 3 purple and 3 sort of a peach and purple color. Next up is a bag of ribbon. There are 5 skinny ribbons. I think 2 of them are white. There's a light purple, a dark purple, and a light sort of a sage green color. There's also a ribbon with tiny white flowers, and these are all 1 meter in length. The next item is a set of purple flowers. There's a light purple and a darker purple. You'll receive 4 of each color. 4 of the flowers are open and 4 of the flowers are buds. The flowers are all attached to a wire stem. You can remove that piece if you don't want it on your project. The flowers do add quite a bit of dimension. They're hard, they're not soft like ribbon. The kit also includes 2 small paper bags. You can put the bag on the outside of your project and tuck in a little card or message. If you're a scrapbooker, this would be cute on a scrapbook page. You could tuck a journal card inside, pictures, or other memorabilia. The kit also includes 2 dies, and both of them are beautiful border dies. The final item that's included in the kit is a sheet of gem stickers. There are 4 different colors in 4 different sizes, all beautiful shades of purple. So that's everything that's included in Love from Lizi's September 2024 Super Card Kit called Indigoletta. I did receive a few add-ons, and there are lots of other products available, and I will put a link to the full September release in the description box below. I already have several of Love from Lizi's nested shape die sets, but these 3 are new to me. The first set is stitched nested arches, and there are 6 dies included in the set. I already have a stitched rectangle and a stitched circle set from Love from Lizi, but these 2 are different. They cut the shape and add the stitching on the outside, versus the original set that cut the shape and add the stitching on the inside. The 2 new sets are called Outer Stitched Rectangle and Outer Stitched Circle, and I love that she includes a ton of shapes on her die sets. I also received the 2 add-on peel-off bundle packs. Both of them include 4 sheets. The set on the left is the Variety Bundle. There's mini twinkles in purple holographic, straight in brown mirror, silver moon dust in the butterfly border, and racing green mirror in mini circles. The set on the right is all pinstripe. It includes mauve mirror, white with silver overlay, lilac, and silver mirror. You can never have too many peel-offs, and Lizi offers a wide variety of styles and colors. The final add-on I received is the Specialty Cardstock Bundle. There are 6 sheets. These are all A5 size. First, we have a white glitter, and this does have adhesive on the back. This sheet felt a little different, so I had to check, and yes, there is a backing, so I love that there's adhesive. There's a silver mirror. Then we have charcoal glitter, silver glitter, a light purple, and a darker purple glitter. The other glitter sheets do not have adhesive on the back, but I was checking to verify. The glitter paper is non-shed, although you will get some tiny pieces when you cut it. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's September 2024 Super Kit called Indigoletta. If you're interested in purchasing the kit or subscribing, I do have links in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. Love from Lizi always has fun and unique kits, and they're packed full of goodies. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.